Don't throw away pine cones. They're a true gardening treasure that you can turn into a powerful, free fertilizer for your plants in just a few minutes. Pine cones are rich in beneficial organic compounds and minerals that are gradually released into the soil, helping support healthy plant growth. Start by gathering about 10 to 15 medium-sized pine cones and thoroughly clean off any sand and dirt. A simple brush is all you need. Next, place the cones in a large pot and pour in about 3 quarts of soft water, preferably rainwater. Bring the water to a boil, then let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. After a while, you'll notice the water turning a rich amber or even light brown color. This is a sign that the valuable compounds contained in the pine cones are gradually being released into the liquid. Once the mixture is ready, let it cool completely, then strain it well. After cooling, the solution retains its properties and is ready to use for watering your plants. You can use this natural fertilizer on acid-loving plants such as hydrangeas, blueberries, rhododendrons, azaleas, heather, and conifers. Geraniums and petunias can also benefit from it, but it should only be used on them occasionally. However, avoid using this mixture on plants that prefer alkaline or neutral soil, such as lavender, boxwood, or clematis. This natural pine cone extract contains organic compounds, tannins, and minerals that gradually enrich the soil. For the best results, apply this natural fertilizer once every 2 weeks during the active growing season. Regular use at this frequency may help support healthy growth and encourage abundant flowering. Instead of throwing this in the trash, use it to water your peonies. This simple fertilizer may help your plants produce an abundance of blooms and stay beautiful throughout the season. Peonies need extra support right now because they are growing vigorously and preparing to flower. Start with a regular potato and peel it. The potato peels are the part you need. They are rich in potassium and other nutrients that support plant growth and help develop strong stems. Many gardeners consider potato peels a valuable natural resource because they provide plants with nutrients that would otherwise go to waste. Place the peels in a large jar or container. Next, add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which help enrich the soil and are often used in homemade plant feeds. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which many gardeners like to include in their homemade plant care mixtures. Now pour in about 1 quart of water and stir everything thoroughly. Close the container and let it sit for about 24 hours so the ingredients can release their properties into the water. This creates a natural liquid feed that is easy for plants to absorb. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a watering can. Use this homemade fertilizer to water your peonies directly at the base of the plant. This natural mixture can help improve soil quality and support the development of a strong root system. Apply it once a week, and over time your peonies may develop stronger stems, healthier leaves, and significantly more flower buds. When blooming season arrives, they will reward you with large, fragrant flowers that become a stunning feature in any garden. I water my hydrangea with this, and it stays covered in blooms all season long. Hydrangeas are known for their large flower clusters that can decorate a garden for months. To bloom abundantly and produce lush flowers, they need the right support. That's why you should make this simple, natural solution. Add 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds to a bowl. Coffee grounds are popular among gardeners because they enrich the soil with valuable organic matter. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle. Nettle has long been valued for its rich nutrient content that supports plant growth. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail. Horsetail contains naturally occurring compounds that help keep plants in good condition. Now take 1 banana, peel it, and chop it into small pieces. Bananas contain valuable minerals often used in homemade fertilizers for flowering plants. Add it to the bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey helps bind the ingredients together and enriches the mixture with natural organic substances. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a taller container and pour in 1 liter, about 4 cups, of warm water. Stir again and let it sit for a while, so the ingredients can release their properties into the water. Meanwhile, prepare an empty bottle. Make a small hole in the cap, using a heated soldering iron. Then strain the liquid through a sieve and cheesecloth to remove the remaining solids. Pour the finished solution into the bottle and seal it. Your natural plant treatment is now ready. Simply water your hydrangea around the roots. When used regularly, it helps keep the plant in good condition, allowing its blooms to remain beautiful, lush, and impressive throughout the season. Did you know your kitchen already contains ingredients that can be used as natural plant fertilizers? Before reaching for store-bought products, try these simple ways to care for your plants. Start with an onion. Cut it into small pieces, cover it with water, and let it sit for a few hours. During that time, sulfur compounds and small amounts of minerals are released into the water. Use this infusion to water your plants and help enrich the soil with natural nutrients while supporting healthy growth. Another option is carrot water. Cut 1 carrot into pieces, add about 2 cups of water, and simmer for a few minutes. Once it is cooled, strain the liquid and use it to water your plants. The minerals released during cooking may help support the growth of young shoots. Next, make soybean water. Add 1 handful of soybeans to a pot, pour in about 1 quart of water, and cook for about 20 minutes. Once the liquid has cooled completely, strain it and use it to water your plants. It contains dissolved organic compounds that may help support beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Another simple option is an orange peel infusion. Peel 1 orange, place the peels in a jar, cover them with water, and let them steep for 24 hours. During this time, natural essential oils and plant compounds infuse the water. Use the finished infusion to water your plants as part of their regular care and to help refresh the soil. Finally, make potato peel water. Peel 1 potato, place the peels in a pot, cover them with water, and simmer for a few minutes. Allow the liquid to cool completely before using it to water your plants. This water may contain small amounts of potassium and other minerals that support healthy plant growth. It is a simple way to make good use of kitchen scraps while giving your plants a little extra care. This single slice of bread is worth more than many store-bought fertilizers. It's the secret behind lush geraniums and petunias covered with colorful blooms all season long. If you're dreaming of fuller plants and flower-filled balconies, you have to try this simple homemade fertilizer. Stale whole wheat, rye, or white bread works perfectly for this recipe. Tear the bread into small pieces and place them in a 1-quart, 1-liter glass jar. Pour in warm, but not hot, water until the bread is covered. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir well. The sugar speeds up fermentation, creating valuable nutrients that help plants grow stronger. Seal the jar and let it sit for 48 hours. During this time, the bread will ferment and release compounds that encourage beneficial microorganisms to thrive in the soil. After 2 days, strain the liquid into a clean container. Add 2 cups, about 500 milliliters, of water to dilute the mixture. This step is important because it makes the fertilizer gentle enough for delicate plant roots. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk provides calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, which promote healthy root development, strengthen stems, and help keep the leaves deep green and vibrant. Mix everything thoroughly until the liquid is completely blended. Pour the finished fertilizer into a watering can and apply it directly around the roots of your geraniums and petunias every 2 to 3 weeks. With regular use, your plants will become healthier, fuller, and produce far more flowers. Their root systems will grow stronger, allowing them to absorb nutrients more efficiently. The result is dense, vigorous geraniums and petunias covered in beautiful blooms that will become the highlight of your balcony or garden.